Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching accounts. Sign into Google Play with the very Google ID you use for Efootball so purchases land in the right app. Once signed in, open Play Store, tap your profile, then play points to confirm your points balance and available rewards. Make sure your Google Play country and payment method match Efootball's region. Otherwise, in-app items or coupons won't apply. This alignment avoids mismatched purchases and lets you immediately use points for in-game buys or next, locate an Efootball-specific reward inside Play Points. Open rewards or special offers and look for Efootball coupons, coin packs, or discount vouchers. Once you find a matching offer, tap Redeem and confirm. Play Points will create a coupon or add an app credit to your Play account. If you don't see a direct Efootball option, convert your Play Points into Google Play Credit. Once credited, you can buy in-app items inside Efootball directly. Make sure the redeemed reward matches the in-game item price. Finally, apply the redeemed reward inside Efootball. Open the game, go to the store, and pick the item or pack you want. At checkout, choose Google Play as the payment option. The Play Points coupon or Google Play credit should appear automatically. Select it and confirm the purchase. If the reward doesn't apply, sign out and back into both Play Store and the game, clear Play Store cache, or re-redeem the coupon in Play Points. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most syncing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.